Then we're getting to put this one here, and then this one here. No. Then we need one from this, and then we're getting to put it here, and then we're getting to get two from this, and then we're getting to make like this, and then we're getting to get one from this, and then we're getting to put it here, my friends, and then we're getting to flip. What? Number 7 is we'll get one from this, and then we're getting to put it here, and then we're getting to get one blue, and then we're getting to put it here, and then we're getting to get two from these. What? Two from these, and then we're getting to put them here, and then flip, and then number 10 we'll get one from this, and two from these, and then we're getting to do put these here, and then number 11 we'll get these, and then we'll do like this, and then we will do like this, and then number 12 get one from this one, and then get one from this, and then get and then we'll get one red, two reds, and two orange. It's okay if you can put here orange. I'm just getting to put orange here because I just have one red, but put red here, okay? Because I just have one red, just one red, okay? And then you put it and then you take one from this one, and then you put it here. And then you put this one here. Number 15, get 2 browns from this. And then you put them here. And then sorry about that. I passed some, remove the brown. Remove it, remove the brown, okay? Remove. Get 2 grays. Gray, gray, gray. Where's one? 2 grays. One from this, and then one from this, and then you put this one here, and then you put it right here, and then page number 17. Take 15, number 15. Number 8.